How to clear Instagram cache on your mobile open settings. First, go to the settings on your mobile device. Navigate to Applications. Scroll down and tap on the Applications or Apps option. Go to Manage Applications. Once inside, select the Manage Applications option. Search for Instagram. In the search bar, type Instagram and select it from the list of apps displayed. Open Instagram settings. Tap on Instagram to open its details page. Select Storage. On the Details page, tap on the Storage option. Clear Cache. You'll see two options, Clear Data and Clear Cache. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files stored by the app. That's it. By following these steps, you'll successfully clear the Instagram app's cache. This can help resolve issues or free up space on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. See you in the next video.